It is really important to know how much your ad spend is helping you out overall and to know the overall picture when looking at organic sales and PPC sales. So if you notice over here, we have a 23.7% ACoS, and that means that we've spent $2,350 and the gross revenue through PPC was $9,911. So this number is your general ACoS for PPC. But what about the ad spend relative to your overall organic plus PPC revenue? Isn't that a better indicator of how you're doing overall and what your PPC ad spend is doing overall? That's what the true ACoS is all about. The true ACoS will look at your organic revenue and your PPC revenue, and it will combine those two, and then take a look at your ad spend to tell you a better picture as to how your ad spend is doing and how much that money is making you both through organic and through PPC sales. So for an example here, we have 40,000 in organic revenue and we have 9,000 in PPC revenue. So the true ACoS will add these two up, and then the ad spend will be divided by this total number and multiplied by 100. And this just shows you here that as a whole, our ACoS overall, the amount that we're spending to get that sale overall, taking organic sales and PPC sales into account, is just 4.66%, which is pretty darn good. Now, the reason why the true ACoS is really important is because we want to make sure that we are obviously not spending too much to get a particular sale overall, and we want to make sure that our true ACoS eventually starts to creep down and go down, because we want to start to get organic sales. And what we found was that by getting really aggressive with our seed keywords and getting out there and getting exposure through PPC for a lot of different keywords, we started to get a lot of organic sales for those particular keywords and search terms. And then our ACoS started going down because we started getting a lot of organic revenue. And when your organic revenue goes way up, this number tends to go down. Okay? So that is the benefit of knowing what your true ACoS is. We want to make sure that it's a healthy number. We want to make sure that you are getting plenty of organic sales, because obviously that is the most important thing. And true ACoS allows you to see the health of your overall account.